Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is the last day of trading week number 21. This is May 28th. Again, this is the last day of week number 21. Before I begin, I'm going to show you a options trade that I did. I'm going to walk along the history of it. So I'm going to show you how simple it is. But before I do, if you are on Facebook, you can join Investing 102, where I will teach you how to level up your investing knowledge. In today's episode, we're going to talk about this particular trade, this SPY Iron Condor June 11 expiration. I did 7 contracts. If I close it today, it's saying it will cost me about $37 each, which will put me $300 cost. But I want to show you something. I want to get back to the history. So follow along with me. And here's my options tracker. I use a pivot table. And if you do something as simple as this, let's just punch in the 7. And we just 7 SPY. And what we care about is, we only care about the June 11. I want to show you what the pattern is. So on week number 17, I put on this trade. This one does not count. The April 30, we're closing. You see that? So that one ended. So let's follow along. And I use different colors so you can see it. First thing I'm going to show you is how much money I collected up front. On April 29, I collected $916 to open this Iron Condor. Next week, on week number 18, look what I did. I rolled it the untested side. And if you just do this, I only did it to make an extra $41 on the put side. And you see, I moved it up $5. Then I moved the untested call side on week number 19. And I did that for an additional $90. Okay, now what you care about is I moved it to a 440, and on the put side is now, if I do the math right, it is now a 390. Okay, so by rolling it, I collected $132. But there's more. You will notice that this is now a 394, and this is not a 440, it's a 332, which means this week I actually collected more premiums. And now I'm ready to close it for a total of 273, but I collected a total of $1,000. So I'll make $700. That's a 70% profit of the max profit. So in order to reduce risk, because I've been narrowing it down by rolling the untested side, you're moving the two endpoints closer to the current market price. Think of that as like the midpoint in theory, but it's not really in the middle. So that's what I'm going to do. It doesn't make sense for me to maintain a higher risk, so I should close this position out since it's a June 11. And if you look at the calendar, June 11 is really 15 days away. And just like that, at 9:48 a.m., I did close that position. Cost me $250. Now I can move on to my next trade. So for the next trade, I'm going to show you how I rolled the untested side. And in this one, you can see based on the dates, I actually rolled it closer to the midpoint or to the market price. I'm most likely going to end this trade in about a week or two. I'm not going to wait until it's 13 or 14 days left. But what I want to do is I'll show you what I did. By moving this down, you see there was a 60 cents gap. And today the gap is shortened, which means I made money. In order for me to make more money, what I would like to do is roll this side again. I need to roll this up another $2 or $3. So that's what I'm going to do now. And real quickly, I think I'm going to settle on the 395 for the short put. I'll show you the odds right real quick. So what I'm doing is I'm rolling it from here. That's where it's currently at. It's a 1% chance of happening, or minus 9 delta. I'm going to move it all the way up to here, which is a minus 13 delta. 4% chance of happening. So that's what I'm looking at right now. In exchange for the risk, I'm going to pay $22 commissions. I'll still net an extra $164 for that move. And then I just have to wait for time to go through. I need the weekend to stay pretty boring, and I'll make money that way. And because of the way the holiday trading is, next week will be the 4th. And then I can. It has 3 weeks left after that, and I'll see what to do next. I'm not going to put any more trades on. I'll keep this video short. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, like, and don't forget I do teach and show people how to trade. I'm here to help you win with money. So don't forget, let's do this together. We'll do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day. Bye-bye.